How to fix Xbox One Series X or X error code. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix Xbox One Series X or S error code. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. You get the following error code and message when you try to use a game or app on your Xbox console. This may mean we are having trouble checking users' rights. To resolve this issue, do one of the following. If you are trying to play a disc-based game, insert the game disc into the Xbox. If you bought and installed a game or app from the Microsoft Store on your Xbox console, sign in to your Xbox account. If the game or app was installed from the Microsoft Store on your Xbox console by someone else's in your house, have that person sign in to their Xbox account. Note that if the owner of the game or app makes this console their home Xbox, then in Settings, tap on General and then on Personalization. You will see the option for My Home Xbox. Tap on that and then select Make this my home Xbox. Anyone who uses this console will be able to use their games and apps even when the person who installed them is not signed in now. So, this is how you can fix Xbox One Series X or X error code. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.